Can you blow rings?
I've never been able to blow springs. Hang on, what am I? Now, some of you guys are probably going, you're smoking, you can't smoke in here. This isn't smoke. Carbon dioxide is an ingredient in smoke, but it's not smoke. Smoking is bad for you, I wouldn't be smoking. This is carbon dioxide. Now, I suppose you guys want to know what carbon dioxide tastes like, right? Well, what happens if you drink too much pop too fast?
Heartburn.
The carbon dioxide gas builds up in your stomach. As it builds up in your stomach, eventually it needs to come out of your stomach. What happens when it comes out of your stomach? You burp. How many of you have ever burped and felt your tongue or your nose tingle?
Oh.
You actually taste the carbon dioxide gas as it passes over your tongue, makes your tongue or your nose tingle. But you know what? I like things bigger. Being a scientist, I solve problems. Well, I happened to see a problem a couple weeks ago that I figured needed to be solving. I was actually sitting with my son and we were watching a movie. Now the movie we were watching is a movie most of you guys have probably seen, is The Wizard of Oz. How many here have seen The Wizard of Oz? Now, in The Wizard of Oz, what happened to the Wicked Witch when she got wet? She melted. Do you know what that means? It means that poor old lady had never ever taken a bath or a shower in her whole life.
Oh.
Ew!
Why do you think she was green?
Yeah, exactly. I think that's why she was green. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I go a day or two without a shower. I get kind of cranky. She went her whole life. I really don't think the Wicked Witch was wicked. I think she just really, really wanted to take a shower.
And she's
So, I started thinking to myself, how can I come up with a hypothesis or an idea? How can the Wicked Witch take a shower and stay dry? Dry shower, dry shower. Well, we commonly call carbon dioxide dry ice. Maybe I can use dry ice to make a dry shower. So I came up with this invention right here. We're going to add some carbon dioxide to it. Do you have a question?
Yeah, would your fingers stick to that if you touched it?
Yes, it would. That's why I'm wearing gloves.
Are your hands
Even
cold
if
at
you
all? Touch it for like a second, they'll stick.
Yeah.
And that's why.
Have you ever done that?
Yes, I have.
Oh yeah.
Now, put the top on it. You know what I have now? I have a shower. Not only is it dry, but it's portable. The Wicked Witch can take a shower, gotten clean,
Oh, that is so
stayed
cool.
perfectly dry. Now, what does every good shower need to get good and clean? Soap. So we're going to add a little bit of soap to the mixture.
Bubbles.
Who's cleaning that up?
You are?
Good luck with that.
Yeah. Now my skin.
Oh, they pop when they pop. When they pop, they turn into like.
Oh, cool.
Or just stay seated and I'll come to you. I'll bring the bubbles to you. You guys stay seated.
Yeah, we're trying to. Yeah, I want to touch that.
Yeah.
Oh, cool! It's like when it.
Bubbles.
Hey, where's the bubble? It's like whenever they pop,
Let them drop a little bit, otherwise they'll pop them. There you go. I'm getting there.
Use that thing. How much do you sell those for? One of those.
Release the bubbles. Now, if you notice, these bubbles, they don't float around like normal bubbles do. What do?
They just fall down.
They sink. Because carbon dioxide by themselves is actually heavier than air. We fill a bubble up with air, it's the same as the weight around it, it floats. These being filled with carbon dioxide, they're actually heavier than air. And since carbon dioxide is heavier than air,